I've only just started to figure that one out.
Good.
And I've spoken to my son. I've done video calls with my son and my sister, and I've phoned my daughter.
Brilliant.
So
And how is it when you do a video call with your son?
it's quite good if I use my phone.
Yeah.
If I use somebody else's, I struggle a bit. So I tried to get him to use my phone.
How was that before the cochlear implants when you were talking to him?
I couldn't hear a word he was saying.
And he lives away, doesn't he?
Yeah.
So where does he live?
He's in America.
Okay, so it's really important to be able to contact him and have catch-ups with him.
Yes.
And is that something you're able to do much more easily now?
Yes, much more easily. Before, my friends and family knew my hearing, and they would just send me a text back and forward.
Okay.
But now I can speak to them on the phone, which is
Amazing.
amazing.